trees will survive. Give them some more sunlight these bugs don't like. You understand that?
Yep.
Well, let me go get the saw.
Hope it's a good one.
The high risk of fire means chainsaws aren't allowed on this section, leaving only one option.
Yeah, man, I hope them guys know how to work, because this thing does work. Ever seen one of these, boys?
Grabs his saw on the back of his truck. It's a hand saw. He's like, what the hell are we supposed to do with this, man? Hand saw. I ain't no misery whip.
This is what they had before they invented chainsaws. You got a pull.
The guys will have a week to clear 10 acres of beetle-infested wood.
There's yours.
If they can hit their deadline,
All right, get at her. Good.
it'll net them almost $3,000.
Rhythm and speed. Just keep the same rhythm.
Pull.